In today's video, we are going to take a look at Bliss OS. So Bliss OS is an Android-based operating system. It is designed to work with both the mobile systems as well as with desktop or laptop computers. Bliss OS is not really meant for very old computers or mobile, as it is based on Android Pie, which requires good performance from your hardware. When it comes to downloading, there is Bliss OS 11x and 12x. We go with 11x as it is a stable version. After downloading Bliss OS, open Rufus to create a bootable Bliss OS device. If you need to dual boot, create a partition of at least 8 GB for Bliss OS. So after creating the USB device, restart your computer and boot from the USB device we created. Choose Bliss OS installation. Select partition and then press enter for the installation. Select ext4 as the file system. Install the bootloader grub, select yes. Select yes and then hit enter to make the system read-write. Select the reboot. Bliss OS lets the user choose between desktop or tablet UI, based on the launcher being used. You can even mix the two for a truly customized experience. Most of the users install Bliss for playing games because the small size of Bliss provides more processing speed for games. Hence, the gaming experience becomes faster. Other than gaming, Bliss offers a great user interface and convenient navigation through the hard drive. All functionality of the Bliss has only one purpose, which is to provide the user with maximum convenience. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.